students, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. As a part of this Python interview questions sequence of videos, in our last sessions, we completed up to 18 questions. In this 19th question, we are going to see what is the difference between list and set. What is the difference between list and set we are going to discuss. So here I'm going to talk about list first. If you take list, it is nothing but collection of objects. We can collect objects. Sir, all these objects are what type? Heterogeneous. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Means what? We can collect different types of objects. So of course, in all these Python data types, we can collect different types of objects. Very, very important point. If you want to access the elements one by one from the list, or if you want to perform any update operation, compulsory index concept must be required. Yes, index concept is allowed inside the list. So that what will happen? This is the first element, this is the second element, like that we can identify. And very, very important point, it is growable in nature. Means what? If we want, we can add the objects, we can remove the objects, we can perform update operation also. All these things are allowed. And very, very important, it is mutable. What is the meaning of these? Modifications are allowed. Sir, let us demonstrate all these points with the help of a simple example. So here I am taking one list. L is equal to 10 and I am taking ABC and I am taking 34.5. Next I am taking one Boolean variable false. Can I take like this? Yes. Type of L is what? It is a list type. Like that we have. Next, L is equal to, I am taking 10, 11, 12 like this. Can I access the elements based on index? L of 0, first element. L of 1, second element. Means what? Index concept we are going to take. Can I add a new object? We have append method is there. By using this append method, you can add a new object into the list. If you print the list, you can see. Already we have 10, 11, 12 is there. Now we added two more extra elements like 13 and 14. Sir, adding is okay. Can I remove? If you take list, this is the value. L dot remove of, I want to remove 12. L dot remove of, I want to remove 14. Now, if you print the list, sir, initially we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we have only 10, 11, 13. Sir, where is 12? Removed. Where is 14? Removed. Can I update this 11th value? Yes. In which index it is available? It is available in first index. We can take L of 1 is equal to something like 888. If you print L, previously in that location, we have 11 is there. But now we have 888 is there. Like that we have. Okay. So we can add the objects, we can remove the objects, we can perform even updates also. Sir, what about a set? What about set? Same points are applicable for set. List is represented by using in these brackets, but set is represented by using these brackets. It is also going to allow heterogeneous objects, but index concept is not allowed. Let me demonstrate up to this. I want to create a set. S is equal to, so I am taking 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If you print S, we are going to get like this. Can I get S of 0? Sorry, boss. Set object is not subscriptable. We can't able to get subscript for this. Like that we are getting. Okay, I hope you understood. Index concept is not allowed. What about growability nature? Yes, it is growable in nature. We can add, we can remove, but we can't update. Sir, why? Because modifications are, if you want to do update operation, index must be required, right? But here index is not there. Hence, we can't update. If you want, let us see. Sir, can I add one object? We have one special method is there called add. Sir, yes dot add of triple two. Is these two objects got added? Yes. Can I remove? So I am taking remove of 20. Yes dot remove of 30. Sir, can I print set? 20 and 30 got removed. Now S of 0 is equal to 999. Can I do this? No, sir. Set object does not support item assignment because index concept must be required. This is the main difference between set and list. Okay, so both are mutable objects only, but in the list we are going to have the concept of index, but in set index concept is not there, except that both are used for same purpose only. Okay, this is nothing but one difference. And very important, duplicates is also there. Here duplicates are allowed, but here duplicates are not allowed. Duplicates are not allowed. Let us cover this also with the help of a small example code. See, assume I am taking a list with 10, 20, 30, again 10, 20, 10, 20, so 40, again 10, again 50, like this I am taking. If you print the list, is all the objects are coming? Yes. Now I am taking set is equal to, so 10, 20, 30, okay, 10, 20, 30, and so 10, 20, 40, again 10, 50, okay, again 10, 60, like this I have taken. In these duplicates are there, right? But it is not showing any error. When you are trying to execute internally, it is removing all the duplicates and printing only unique values. It is removing all the duplicates and printing unique values. This is nothing but one main difference between list and tuple. I hope everyone got clarity about the difference between list and set data structures. Okay, thank you, friends.